Hi everyone, I'm Lindsay Winkley. This is your COVID-19 news update from the San Diego Union-Tribune for Monday, April 20th. Cases of the novel coronavirus are continuing to climb in Baja California, where 83 people have died. That total has already overtaken San Diego County's death toll of 71. Medical professionals across the border said the virus is overwhelming the region's healthcare system, and there aren't enough doctors or supplies to go around. At least 22 healthcare professionals have tested positive for COVID-19 in Baja California, and 2 are receiving intensive care. The dire situation has expats living in Mexico questioning whether they should return to the United States. Approximately 1.5 million U.S. citizens live permanently in Mexico, and many have put down roots in Baja California's coastal cities, such as Rosarito Beach. Last month, the U.S. State Department issued an extraordinary advisory urging all citizens abroad to return to the United States if they can. Our reporters spoke to some of those expats. While some are heeding the call, others are staying put to support the community that has become their home. Over the weekend, 2 protests were held in San Diego and Encinitas to demand the state and some city amenities reopen. About 200 people attended each demonstration. Several similar protests have been held by conservative groups across the country who oppose the closures that were put in place over the past month to help slow the spread of COVID-19. We want to remind you that information is your first line of defense. Become a subscriber and get unlimited digital access to all of our news wherever and whenever you want it. Don't miss a story. Go to SanDiegoUnionTribune.com/subscribe.